Right. So today I'm going to discuss about the getting a request to the billing API, especially when you are working on the policy center, Guidewire policy center, wherein I'm going to explain you about the kind of code which normally I have mentioned here, especially to get a request, because whenever you want to invoke any kind of services, especially using Gosu, so we use Gosu scripts and all everything. So to use these Gosu scripts, whatever we are using, which is useful for us to make any kind of HTTP calls and all. When we are working on get or post, put methods and all everything to the external RESTful API and as well as the process responses we are using. For that instance, if we want to fetch any kind of billing details for any kind of policy, that we could write any kind of code to make get request to the billing API. This is what generally the code normally we write. So wherein we have to mention and we need to take a variable first of all, right? So variable declaration we have to mention variable declaration wherein I have taken variable client new, right? So that's where HTTP client is something which we have taken. Next, variable responses need to be taken wherein we need to have updated, right? So client.get HTTP billing example we have taken for API policy. So policy number I have taken as 12345 as example. Next, variable billing information wherein we need to update what kind of files that we have taken. So XML files or JSON file. So wherein I have taken XML JSON reader files. So if you want to update any kind of parsers relating to the responses that we have mentioned over here. So this response.body we have. So we have to update and we need to mention three different variables. The first variable client.http clients and second variable responses relating to the client get HTTP billing examples and all. Next, last variable billing information where we need to update new JSON file readers. At the same time, we need to call upon the parsers responses body as well. So this is how generally a Gosu code we need to be updated when we are working on integration part, especially when we are integrating with policy center to billing. If you want to update any kind of request responses, that is what and how generally we do this.